There is a story that says, all children are born with wings. They come into this world carrying something unseen, a quiet strength, a God-given presence that helps them survive and grow in a world that is not always gentle and not always safe. These wings are wonder. Wonder is the ability to remain open, to trust goodness before it is proven, to sense that there is more than what the eyes can see. Wonder allows a child to hope. It lifts the heart above fear. It keeps the soul receptive before life teaches it to doubt. With wonder, a child can dream beyond their surroundings. They can believe in love even when love feels uncertain. They can endure because something within them knows that meaning exists beyond the moment. As the child grows, the world begins to press in. Pain finds language. Disappointment becomes familiar. Words spoken without care leave wounds. Silence shapes beliefs no one meant to teach. Slowly, almost without noticing, the wings begin to weaken, not because the child has failed, but because survival replaces wonder. In their place, many begin to notice wounds, hurts they did not choose, fears they did not ask for, beliefs formed in moments of loneliness or loss. Some grow older and decide that the wounds are all there is. They grow guarded. They grow bitter. They call it wisdom, but it is often grief that was never healed. Others pause. They sense that something sacred was lost, and instead of turning away from hope, they begin to search for the one who placed the wings there before the world taught them to forget. They discover something unexpected. The wings were never taken away. They were only buried beneath pain, fear, and disappointment. And the one who gave them wonder is still near, not to erase the past, but to heal what was wounded, not to return us to childhood, but to restore the heart's ability to rise again, this time with trust. Perhaps growing up is not about losing our wings, but about remembering where wonder came from and choosing, even after pain, to believe that God still restores what life tried to take.